Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand what is MCP, Model Context Protocol. It is quite trending nowadays, right? Well, I think you have probably heard about AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, right? And you are also using tools like Google Sheet, Google Drive, CRM, or like Facebook Ads Manager, or like Canva. Then what is MCP? Well, basically, it connects the AI tools with these platforms. Using MCP, you can connect apps, sites, services, and tools with your AI tools, right? You can think it of as it is a bridge between AI tools and these platforms, right? To communicate between AI tools and these platform, MCP is required. MCP server is required so that you can work efficiently. Now, why does MCP exist? Might be you are working in Google Drive, Google Sheets, Facebook Ads Manager, Canva, right? So if you want to connect it with other platforms, you need to integrate it using custom APIs. But MCP do the same work for you, right? MCP connect these platforms with AI tools using MCP server. Now we are going to understand the most common uses of MCP, right? MCP can create summaries of your dashboards, of your ads manager dashboards. MCP can give data about the ad campaigns that you are running, right, using meta ads. MCP can arrange files. MCP can write or draft a email as well on behalf of you, right? You just need to communicate with your AI tool. REST MCP will handle the connection or communication with your Gmail, and it will automatically draft an email for you, right? You can also schedule your calendar using MCP, right? And you can also create email marketing campaigns using MCP, right? So MCP can also take care of your CRM softwares. So in this manner, MCP can communicate between AI tools and your other platforms to automate things, right? So basically, this is the power of MCP. Now, how does MCP works? Well, MCP consists of three things, right? The first one is MCP host. It means the AI tools that you are using, whether it is ChatGPT or whether it is Claude or Gemini, right? These are the MCP host. And the next thing is MCP server. MCP server tells the MCP host that what kind of data is available on the tools and what kind of tools are there with whom they can connect, right? And the third one is MCP protocol or MCP client, right? It is basically a communication layer which is used to communicate between the AI tools with these platforms or apps that you are integrating with the AI tools using MCP. So now I hope you have understood what model context protocol is, and you can utilize it to automate your things, right? To more precisely work on your projects and to create summaries of your work projects and make your work done more efficiently. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.